Mega love a shoutout. Welcome once again to Pure Stone Heart Channel. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-like and subscribe sa video ko, please do hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for my next videos. At sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, hit the subscribe button. Again guys, once again, I will be doing one of my favorite vlog, which is the unboxing. Of course, I have here with me. We ordered this one 2 days ago and it arrives now, and I'm so excited guys because this is one of my wish lists to have, because nga kailangan nating mag-upgrade. I need to upgrade for my vlogging purposes. So this is one of those wish lists of mine and my gift to myself for this Christmas, and I really love this one guys. I've been looking for this. I am wanting this one for several years now, but wow, this is it, and I hope I will be satisfied because I ordered this one online. But actually, I don't know. I'm just excited, guys. I just received this one a while ago, and wow, here we go. Let's go for the unboxing. I don't know, my heart is pumping guys because I'm so excited to do the unboxing for this one. This is one of my ultimate dream to have this year. Not only this year, but it's been several years that I need to. Okay, I guess I am doing it correctly. There you go guys. I have here, if you change your mind, refund something, I don't know. This is from Noon. I ordered this one online with Noon, and now there it is. It's very secure. The product is very secure. Ouch. And okay. And I hear, and this one, I'm so excited. I don't know how I feel to have this in my hands finally guys. See, this is it. Fragile, yes it says. And now Canon. Yes, this is a Canon camera. My God, I don't know. I'm so emotional to have this one finally guys, because this might be the most expensive thing I bought for myself, and I don't know, mixed emotion. So let's do this. See, this is really sealed guys. The plastic is sealed. And it says here guys, the camera, the lens, the tripod, and there's a microphone, and what's this? The 32 GB SD card, and line for story. Ayan. So Eos M50 Mark II. Yes, Mark II. There you go, and there I have it. Very nice. Sealed and secure. Sealed and secure. Yes, what's inside is the charger. I believe this is the charger. Yeah. And this is the microphone. Yeah, and this is the stand. The stand. Yes, I have it here. So this is the stand. This is the package. So that's that. So there you go, guys. Yes, so first things first is the heat. This is the heat. Okay. This is the tripod. Joby. And now is the microphone. Yes, the microphone itself. Yes, I have here the microphone. Okay. The charger. And finally the camera. The camera itself. So what's inside? We have here the image of Canon. There's the manual. The 32 GB SD card. And then this one. This is the lay, the battery, the lens, here's the lens, guys. Yes, the lens. The charger. And then finally the camera. Yes. So, God, this is it, and finally I have it. So this is now what I got. So happy, and once again, thank you so much for watching my vlogs, and I hope you will continue to support me. Thank you, God Lord.